Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you ERPNext to Interakt WhatsApp integration. You can send invoices, quotation, sale order, etc. with just a click of a button and in your custom format. You can even send the parties their general ledger. On clicking Save, a communication button comes up. Click Send WhatsApp, select the Interakt template, the phone number and click Send. Message is sent to the respective party along with the format as shown in the video. The message contains a View Document button to download the document. All you require is an Interakt account which can be provided by us. Multiple templates for each document again provided by us. Next, if you want to send the party their general ledger, click Send Party Ledger via WhatsApp. Fill in the details, company if you have multi-company setup, party type which is customer or supplier, party which is filtered based on party type, mobile number linked to the party, from date and to date and click Send. The party will receive general ledger as a downloadable link in the message and it will be in Excel format as shown in the video. There are some general settings that need to be done further shown in the video. Thank you for watching.